Welcome to West Virginia, motherfuckers. Fuck you.
It's one of those old single shot Winchesters with a hammer. I mean, it's probably from what, like the 30s? Still
Model 37.
Model 37?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a Winchester Model 37 break barrel gun from the 1930s.
Steel built 12 gauge.
Still built 12 gauge. Okay, load her up and shoot her, bud. This is some 3-shot bird shot loads. I mean, you can buy this stuff for $10 a dozen at Walmart. That's why I paid for it. You take a couple shots and then check that target. Can you see it from here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Okay, we'll be shooting.
Shooting high. I hit it that time.
Damn, dude.
You should have told you. He said to clear your ears, man. Woo.
I got some power.
you can check that. Go ahead.
Got me a Century Arms Visca AK-47.
Okay, it's a RSK-47.
Yeah.
That's the American-made version from Century, which is a stamped receiver. It has a one of these top-notch muzzle brakes. It's got a Palmetto State magazine.
Left-hand threads.
Left-hand threads. It's got the Rack 1 trigger, double hook trigger there.
7.62 by 39.
7.62 by 39. It has the bolt hold open feature on the dust cover safety mount. And it's a stamped receiver. Very nice gun right there. And go ahead and grab the other gun. The other gun is a Century Wasser 1063 from the early 2000s. It's got a Tapco G2 trigger, a Romanian magazine, 30 rounds. Has the safety mechanism right here. It has the wood furniture. It is the standard quintessential Century Wasser 10, and we're going to be shooting these side by side together. And before he learns how to put the magazine in correctly, we're going to be shooting these two guns side by side. This one here has been modified with a Wolf extra heavy spring, a recoil buffer, Tapco G2 trigger, Tapco retaining plate over the trigger group. Has a slanted muzzle brake instead of the top round muzzle brake like that RSK-47. And we're going to be trying them out. Go ahead, you can shoot first.
This will be on his YouTube channel.
I'm going to send you the videos to your email. Alright, lock and load. You got to rack it, bud.
Everybody good?
All the way back and let it go. There you go. You're ready.
I see holes in it.
Oh yeah, it'll put. Shoot some more, man.
Shooting to the left.
Julie.
Get a couple rounds, like 5 or 6 rounds, and we'll let Matt shoot it.
I need to get that recoil.
And aim. Don't squeeze too much, just everywhere. Alright, go ahead and let him shoot it. We're just taking turns. See which gun he likes the best. He might want to buy that one. You never know.
Right.
Hey, Matt, you want... Alright, that's been the RSK-47 and the Wasser 10, folks.
Is that
Cheers. Here we go. Big bang.
Yeah, shotgun. Ammo dump. Russian typewriter.
Clear.
Is it going red? Okay.
Here we got the Canic. Andrew has a Canic TP9DA, double and single action 9mm.
We're going to shoot it a couple times and see how she works now.
Don't pull that clip out real quick.
Alright.
Holds 18 rounds. We're firing Venom FMJs. And we'll see how she does.
Alright. Ears on.
Very heavy trigger.
Okay, it's been the... Squeeze the trigger, don't pull it. Squeeze it.
Pop them out, boy.
Go ahead, still got ammo in it. Keep shooting. Keep shooting, dude. Keep shooting.
Alright, alright.
It's empty. You'll know when it's empty. There it is. It's empty. 7mm Magnum.
Like a military sniper.
Yeah. Remington 700.
Yeah, that's good.
There you go.
See where you hit.
Yeah, a little bit top left.
Was you aiming for the middle?
Like I said, breathing's everything, man.
Right beside it. I think, yeah.
So there's a little bit left on that one. Man, I don't get much of a squeeze. It's like,
Yeah, just very squeeze it gently, dude, and she's good. You never want to jam a trigger, ever. You hit the OK button, is it red? Alright, we're going to be shooting the Remington single action SPR
100.
20 gauge. We're using an 8-shot express load 20 gauge. God damn, boy, that kick's good.
Samuel.
You hit that button on the top again, it's good.
Well, the screen just wasn't on.
Oh. So you just started over again. That's all.
No, it's still going.
Oh, go ahead.
What's around to this, Kenny? You want to fire it?
Yeah, it's a 20 gauge
You want to fire this?
Remington
This one?
SPR 20
Yeah.
gauge.
No, there's a little bit more right there.
Well, that's kind of this
If
one.
it does go black again, just hit that front button once.
Okay.
Some game load.
This is Kenyon.
So it's new? Yeah, that's good to go.
Just shooting, Matt.
That's a Stevens
Six-
single shot 16 gauge.
Alright, he's about to shoot it, folks. Alright. Jesus. Ooh, I forgot to put my headphones on. Definitely a squirrel stomper. Gauge, man. Prepare your arms for
It's got a little bit of bite to it.
not as much as a Tahitian black woman getting lockjaw tetanus. She's giving you the you know what. Oh my God!
You shot low.
You knocked something up. I heard something scrambling out there.
Got a little mold.
I hit it.
A little low.
A little low.
That's what she said. Wrong hole. Or the Lula.
Man, stop where it doesn't Andrew.
Never. It's always in the gutter. Hammer.
Oh, shit.
Hammer time.
Stopped at that time. Shoot her, boy.
Shit or get her.
I'll shoot it too.
It's only one round left.
Only one?
No, you go.
Shit her or get her.
There's only,
One round.
there's only one round left? Oh, my bad.
Go ahead, man.
Alright. I can drive you.
Shoot that crow. Well, there goes my. There's a little left I had of hearing.